Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. In the description box below, I'm gonna put a link to my website. If you're working on a vehicle and you need some kind of technical help, there's a form there to fill out. Fill that form out and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Working on a 2007 Honda Accord. Customers complained, driving along, they would come to a stop, and then all of a sudden the car would cut off. They'd start it right back up, drive away, rough idle conditions, but mainly coming down like after about 30-40 miles an hour, they'd come to a stop, it would cut off. So they put a scanner on it and went ahead and pulled the codes, and this is what we got. So the code that comes up is a P0171, and basically that's an engine intake air duct. So this is the intake air duct. Go over to the air duct, and this is the old one that came off it, and it would be sitting something like this, and on the bottom half of it was cracked. So this is your mass airflow sensor, and as you give it the gas, it reads the amount of air going through the filter into the engine, and it helps with the idle and the running condition of the car. So basically what it was doing is it was sucking air through here, and it was getting a false reading of how much air was coming through the intake. So aftermarket one is about $30-40. Put it on there, easy quick fix.